This is an instructional video on how to use Tracker. Tracker is a software that analyzes object motion in video clips. When you first load Tracker, you'll be brought to a blank screen. Using your mouse, go to File, open New File, and load a video clip of your choice. Today, we will be investigating constant speed motion. When you load a clip, there might be an error message. Just click OK. You will now notice that there will be a timeline at the bottom, which you can use to translate the clip frame by frame. One very useful tool is the calibration stick. Go to Create, Calibration Tools, and click on the calibration stick radio button. You will notice a blue stick. You can use this blue stick to specify the dimensions of objects in your video clip. Now I know my whiteboard is about 3 meters in length, so you can key in 3 meters to specify the length of the whiteboard. On the bottom left of your screen, you will find a yellow box. Within the yellow box are coordinates labeled X and Y, which refer to the X coordinate and the Y coordinate. Notice how, as you move the mouse, the coordinate value changes according to where your cursor is. Now you may want to fix the 0 point of your coordinate axis. In order to do so, locate the angle from X-axis box. You'll notice that you can click and enter a value of 0. This will cause a pair of axes to appear. Using mouse, drag the pair of axes to where you want the 0 point to be. You are now ready to begin analyzing your video. Click on Create, Point Mass, and proceed to name your point mass. In this case, the name of my student who appears in the video is Yixiang, and so I've named the point mass appropriately Yixiang. Play the video clip by moving the clip frame by frame until Yixiang enters the 0 point. Then click on his name and click on Auto Tracker. You notice that by holding Shift and Control and clicking, you will be able to select a reference point on Yixiang. I've chosen the red part of his shirt to be a reference point because this is an area of high contrast. Once you've selected a reference point, click Search. Now what will happen is that this will generate a graph of distance against time. As Yixiang moves, the tracker software tracks where his red shirt moves. In doing so, a graph of distance against time is plotted. As you can see, as Yixiang is moving from left to right, from one end of the whiteboard to the other, a distance-time graph is being plotted. Once Yixiang reaches the right end of the whiteboard, you will click Stop to stop the scanning. Once you click Stop, the analysis starts. You can choose to maximize the graph. Close all other windows and proceed to analyze the graph. You will notice that by clicking on Plot and then on the number 2, you will see the motion of the Y coordinate, but we are only interested in how Yixiang is moving from left to right at constant speed, and we're not so interested in how his vertical distance moves. So go back to Plot, click off on 2. You will notice that in this video, Yixiang has generated a straight line for his constant speed motion. This is the expected result of constant speed motion. You may choose to save your data and export it. to a suitable location and invest on.